Hi, my name is Jennifer Mass. I'm the Mellon Professor of Cultural Heritage Science at the Bard Graduate Center, and I'm here to talk to you about one more thing. I'm wearing a Victorian mourning necklace, and typically we think of this type of Victorian jewelry as having been made from very rare, valuable materials, such as Whitby jet, for example. Instead, though, this necklace is made of vulcanite. Vulcanite is actually vulcanized rubber. We think about vulcanized rubber as being the most quotidian material imaginable in the 21st century. It's used to make car tires. But in the Victorian period, there was such a need for materials that were plastic, that could be heated up, pressed into a mold, and then would retain a desired image, that when vulcanized rubber was invented, it was considered a material beautiful enough, rare enough, and valuable enough to make jewelry.